Dedication of the Lateran Basilica, second reading. In the first letter of St. Paul to the Corinthians, chapter 3, verses 9 to 11, 16 to 17. Brothers and sisters, you are God's building according to the grace of God given to me. Like a wise master builder, I laid a foundation and another is building upon it. But each one must be careful how he builds upon it, for no one can lay a foundation other than the one that is there, namely Jesus Christ. Do you not know that you are the temple of God, and that the Spirit of God dwells in you? If anyone destroys God's temple, God will destroy that person, for the temple of God which you are is holy. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Please like and subscribe.